If you're serious about chemicals, you need to know Synalloy Chemicals. Synalloy Chemicals has been in business over 100 years. Today, we serve the chemical industry with intermediates, surfactants, and contract manufacturing. We sell products to the top chemical manufacturers in the U.S. We sell products to formulators. We sell products to distributors, and we sell a small amount of our business directly to end users. We have two manufacturing sites, one in Fountain Inn, South Carolina, another in Cleveland, Tennessee. CRI Tollers is in excess of 150,000 square feet, fully equipped with reactors, mixing vessels, particle reduction equipment, and ribbon blenders. CRI Tollers has its own staffed laboratory with equipment to support the manufacturing processes located at CRI Tollers. Manufacturers Chemical is over 135,000 square feet with some off-campus warehousing not included in that number. You can see the number of mixing vessels, the reactors and sizes, and other peripheral equipment. In fact, between the two facilities, we have over 75 mixing vessels. Lab equipment to support the plant facility and our research laboratories. These are our newest reactors located at CRI. There's actually 4 there, 2 in front, 2 in the rear. Storage, mixing tanks, all closed. A shot of one of the mix areas. This is Sulfation Unit 1 in Cleveland, Tennessee, where we make sulfated oils from vegetable and animal byproducts. This is one of our laboratories, this particular one in Fountain Inn. These are our capabilities, and these are the capabilities by site. Most are replicated, others soon will be replicated between our two facilities. Our certifications and affiliations by site. These are the chemistries we manufacture, and each of these chemistries represents a family of products and a family of capabilities. So we have our own products, and then we can manufacture almost any first cousin to any of our own products. And our capabilities are available for contract manufacturing. Our products go into a wide range of markets. Imidazolines is a perfect example. Primarily we sell into the oil and gas industry, but we also sell into coatings for paint, and we sell some of these products as cationic emulsifiers. We also have diethyl sulfate quats. Many are made from imidazolines, and these two are corrosion inhibitors, emulsifiers used in water treatment, a wide variety of markets. And so this is true with each product family. They cross over into all kinds of markets, as many chemistries do. We make acid replacements. We are one of the world's leading producers of AKD emulsions and wax emulsions. We are vertically integrated in antifoams and defoamers. We make our own hydrophobized silica and our own EBSA waxes, and we have command positions on all raw materials for all foam control products. We do fine dispersions. Our sulfated derivative line represents the leading edge of green chemistry. We make surfactants and process aids from vegetable and animal byproduct sources, all renewable green chemistry. This goes into many markets. We handle a lot of acids, strong acids. We make buffers, we make neutralizations of acids. We do reactions to acid, and so we make a broad range of products there. Phosphate esters go into a wide range of industries. And of course, our contract manufacturing, everything that we do for ourselves and for our own products is available as a contract manufacturing offering. And so these capabilities are available, and of course this goes into many different industries. Approximately 50% of our business is contract manufacturing. We are ISO 9001-2015 standard on our quality and our quality management system in all facilities and laboratory and management systems. We are strategically located for import and export. Our CRI tollers facility is less than 2 miles from the inland port of Charleston, which is connected by dedicated rail to the port at Greer. So when we deliver your goods to port, or when we pick up your goods at port, we pick them up at the inland port where there's no additional transportation charges. Huge savings, huge headache reduction. And in a similar kind of a situation where our Cleveland facility is 15 miles from the Appalachian Regional Inland Port, which is connected to the Port of Savannah. Same benefits. My name is Mike Junkins, and if you have a project or you're serious about looking at a new supply of chemical intermediates, if you want to save money, whatever your objective is, if it has to do with chemicals, you can call me or you can email me anytime, night or day. Thank you.